Thank you for purchasing the GoGo Sport from Mobility Plus North Scottsdale. Today we will be showing you how to disassemble the scooter in a couple simple steps. So before we get started, just make sure that your scooter is level with the ground and completely turned off. First, we're going to push the back down, and then we're going to pull the seat up from the bottom, and it'll come right off. Set that aside. Next, we're going to get the battery. You just give it a nice tug, and it comes right out. After that, you can take off the basket if you need to. Makes for more space in your car. And now we're going to lower this tiller here so that the scooter folds kind of in half. So we're going to turn this inward. Make sure that your tiller doesn't totally hit the bottom, because there's a button right here that could break once it hits this bottom of where the battery goes. And then we're going to turn it back to lock it in place. You can also turn this little notch here, and that'll lock the wheels in place. Last but not least, to disassemble, we're just going to take this little latch right here, pull up, and move the parts away from each other, and that's your scooter fully disassembled. Now, to reassemble the scooter, we're just going to do that in reverse. So we're going to take this latch again, and we're going to line up these green little lines with the back motor. Let go, and it locks right in place. Now we're going to unlock our wheels here, and we're going to bring the tiller back up. Bring that up to your desired position, and then tighten it again. After this, we'll do the battery. We'll do our seat. I like to lift it from behind, and then I can see it go right into the post. Lift the seat back up, and then you can put your basket back on if you took it off. And that's your scooter fully assembled and ready to go.